Welcome to our channel Eat Well. Today I am going to share with you a very easy and simple recipe how to make chicken chop at home. Please click the red subscribe button to subscribe our channel so that you don't miss out simple recipes for home. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share. For chicken chop, the ingredients I have taken today are roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, Garam Masala, salt, 4 to 5 black pepper, turmeric powder, fried onion paste, ginger garlic paste, cashew nut paste, mustard oil, homemade Desi ghee, curd, butter and Tikka Masala. This is a full chicken leg piece of 200 grams. I will put some cut on the both sides so that the spices goes into it properly. Now I will do my first marination, and for that put the chicken leg piece in a bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder. Mix the masala well with the chicken and keep it aside for 15 minutes. I will take another bowl for the second marination. Put 1 tablespoon butter, 100 gram yogurt, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon Tikka Masala. Now mix all the spices properly with the yogurt and put the marinated chicken leg piece into it. Cover the bowl and leave it for 2 hours. You can also refrigerate it for 24 hours. Now I will start my cooking. Heat the pan, add 2 tablespoon mustard oil and 1 tablespoon Desi ghee. Now we'll add 4 to 5 black pepper and let them get heated for a while. Add 2 tablespoon fried onion paste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and fry well, and make sure that the raw flavor of ginger and garlic goes off. I am now adding cashew nut paste. Stir well in low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Put little salt according to your taste. Add half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, a pinch of turmeric powder. Fry it for another 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. Add the marinated chicken into it and put the entire mixture. Flip it both ways and cover it for 30 minutes. Remember, the flame should be low. Keep flipping intermittently with an interval of 3 to 4 minutes. When the chicken gets cooked properly and the oil gets separated from the masala, add some sugar to enhance the taste. At the end, put little garam masala and switch off the flame. Chicken chap is now ready to be served. You can try it at home and please let me know in comments. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share.